Hey YouTube, this is Aditya from Tech Guru. Today we are going to be unboxing SanDisk micro SD card. So what are we waiting for? Let us start. So this is the SanDisk SD card. This also has an adapter. So let us take out the SD card first. So this is the adapter and the micro SD card. Let us take the micro SD card out. So this is the adapter. So in the adapter we have a lock and an unlock. So we have to take this micro SD card right here and put it here and put it in the computer if you want. If you want to use this in the tablet like I'm using, you have to do the following steps. First, take your tablet like this, take out the SIM tray, and this is the SIM tray, this is the SD card tray. So when I keep the SIM card tray like this, I keep it like this and put it like this right here, like this. This should perfectly fit, then only it will read. So like this, and turn it upside down and put it in the tablet or your phone. So yeah, I've on my tablet. Scroll down the notification menu. You can see SanDisk SD card setup. So please tap it. Now I use for portable storage. You can use it for the internal storage. I really prefer the portable storage, so you may also select the option. Click on portable storage, and that's all. Your SD card is set up. Click on done, and to view your SD card, open your files app right there and scroll down. See, you can see the 16 GB SD card. So when you tap on this, that's all. Your SD card has set up in your Android. If you want the file's computer, you have to do entire step differently. That is why they give this adapter. Let me tell you how to do that. Okay, so to use a SD card in your computer, follow the steps. First, take your SD card and put this in the adapter. And now, as you can see right here in this video, your SD card reader, this will be like this. You have to plug in like that. After plugging in, go to your file explorer. After going to the file explorer, you can see that your drive is right there. So now you can enjoy watching your movies or files in your computer. So that is all for this video. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Also hit the like button for more future videos. Bye bye. See you in the next video.